Quantum immortality science or sci-fi? Welcome to our deep dive into the fascinating intersection of quantum mechanics and the concept of immortality. That's right, we're going straight into the deep end of the cosmic pool on this one, folks. We're talking about the very fabric of reality, the fundamental laws that govern the universe, and the tantalizing possibility that some aspect of ourselves, some essence of our being, might persist beyond the limitations of our physical bodies. Now, I know what you're thinking. Immortality? Isn't that the stuff of myths and legends? And you wouldn't be wrong. For millennia, humankind has grappled with the inevitability of death, seeking solace in stories of eternal life, resurrection, and realms beyond our own. But what if, just maybe, these stories hold a kernel of truth rooted in the bizarre, counterintuitive world of quantum mechanics? Today we'll explore 5 speculative ideas that connect quantum science with the possibility of eternal life. We'll journey to the edges of our current understanding, where science fiction and cutting-edge physics blur and where the answers we seek may be stranger than anything we could have imagined. Buckle up, because things are about to get seriously mind-bending. Quantum consciousness. Life after death. Our first stop on this mind-blowing journey takes us deep into the inner workings of the human brain. See, for centuries, the nature of consciousness was the domain of philosophers and theologians. But in recent decades, some physicists have proposed that consciousness itself might be a quantum phenomenon. One of the most intriguing of these proposals is the orchestrated objective reduction, or theory, put forth by physicist Roger Penrose and anesthesiologist Stuart Hameroff. Now, the OR theory suggests that consciousness arises from quantum computations occurring within microtubules, which are tiny structures found inside brain cells. These microtubules, according to Penrose and Hameroff, act like quantum computers, processing information at the subatomic level. And get this, they propose that when we die, this quantum information, the very essence of our consciousness, doesn't just vanish. Instead, it gets released from the confines of the physical body and dissipates into the universe at large. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds awfully similar to the idea of a soul, right? But here's the thing. The OR theory suggests that this quantum soul could potentially interact with the universe in ways we can only begin to imagine. Could it be possible that this quantum information could eventually reunite with another physical form? Could this be the scientific underpinning of reincarnation? It's a truly mind-boggling concept that pushes the boundaries of our current understanding. Mind uploading, achieving digital immortality. Okay, let's say you're not so keen on the idea of your consciousness floating around the cosmos after you die. Maybe you'd prefer something a little more, well, digital. Enter the concept of mind uploading, a staple of science fiction that has captured the imaginations of futurists and transhumanists alike. Imagine transferring your entire consciousness, your memories, your personality, everything that makes you, you, into a powerful computer system. Now, this is where quantum computing comes in. Quantum computers, with their ability to perform calculations far beyond the reach of even the most powerful classical computers, could potentially provide the computational horsepower needed to simulate the intricacies of the human brain. We're talking about replicating billions of neurons, trillions of synapses, all firing in concert to create the symphony of consciousness. If we could achieve this, we could theoretically create a digital copy of ourselves that could live on indefinitely in a virtual realm. Imagine exploring the universe at the speed of light, experiencing different realities, even interacting with other uploaded minds. It's a tantalizing vision of the future, one where death becomes a matter of choice rather than an inevitability. All right, strap yourselves in, because we're about to enter the realm of true science fiction. Quantum teleportation, a phenomenon once relegated to the realm of Star Trek, has become a reality in the laboratory, albeit on a very small scale. Scientists have successfully teleported photons, those tiny packets of light, across vast distances instantaneously. But what if we could scale up this technology? What if we could teleport not just photons, but entire human beings? Now, before you get too excited, let's be clear, we're nowhere near teleporting people. But the theoretical possibility raises some fascinating questions about identity and continuity. See, in quantum teleportation, the original object being teleported is destroyed. Its quantum state, all the information that makes it unique, is transferred to another collection of particles at the destination. So, is the teleported object an exact copy of the original, or is it something entirely new? If we could teleport our consciousness, would we arrive at our destination as ourselves, or would it be a copy of our consciousness experiencing a new reality? Would that even be considered immortality, or would it be the creation of a duplicate, leaving the original to meet its demise? It's a question that philosophers have pondered for centuries, and one that quantum teleportation throws into sharp relief. Let's dive into the fabric of space-time itself, where the rules of classical physics break down and the bizarre world of quantum mechanics takes over. At the subatomic level, the universe is a seething cauldron of activity, with particles popping in and out of existence, constantly fluctuating in a cosmic dance of creation and annihilation. These quantum fluctuations, as they're called, are a fundamental aspect of the quantum realm. Now, some physicists have speculated that these quantum fluctuations could have profound implications for our understanding of life and death. What if, they propose, consciousness itself arises from these quantum fluctuations? What if, instead of a linear progression from life to death, there exists a cyclical process, a cosmic dance of existence and non-existence driven by the ebb and flow of quantum energy? Could it be that death, as we perceive it, is merely a transition, a temporary dip in the quantum foam, only to be followed by a re-emergence into a new form, a new life, perhaps even in a different corner of the universe? It's a heady concept, one that challenges our deeply held beliefs about the nature of reality and the finality of death. Our final stop on this exploration of quantum immortality takes us to the mind-boggling realm of the multiverse. Now, the multiverse theory, a favorite of science fiction writers and some very serious physicists, proposes that our universe is just one of an infinite number of universes, each with its own unique set of physical laws and constants. Imagine an infinite number of parallel realities, each branching off from every quantum event, every decision ever made. In this grand cosmic tapestry, an infinite number of versions of you and me exist, each living out different versions of our lives. Now, if we entertain this notion, it suggests that death, at least as we perceive it in our universe, might not be the end. What if, instead of ceasing to exist, our consciousness simply transitions to another universe, another version of ourselves at the moment of our death? Could this be the ultimate expression of immortality, a cosmic game of hopscotch where our consciousness jumps from one parallel universe to another, experiencing an endless array of realities? It's a truly mind-bending concept, one that stretches the limits of our imagination. So there you have it, 5 mind-blowing possibilities for how quantum mechanics might unlock the secrets of immortality. From quantum consciousness and mind uploading to teleportation, quantum fluctuations and the multiverse, we've journeyed to the very edges of scientific understanding and perhaps even beyond. While these ideas are highly speculative and currently reside in the realm of science fiction, they offer intriguing possibilities for the future. As our understanding of quantum mechanics evolves, who knows what discoveries may lie ahead? Perhaps one day the line between science fiction and science fact will blur even further, and the dream of immortality will move from the realm of myth and legend to a tangible reality. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more thought-provoking content.